I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some Bitcoin analysis here. And man, oh man, have we had a nice rally off the lows here. Bitcoin has basically, gone up nonstop since 74,000. We're now running into some resistance here. Not too surprising. It's a big area where we were chopping sideways for quite a bit of time. And you are seeing it struggle a bit. Now, I'm not, giving up on Bitcoin. I still think there's a shot, or actually a pretty good shot, that we still go higher, right? I had actually these two trend lines on the 4-hour cycle. Again, just trying to see what's going on, where we're finding support, where we're finding some resistance. So we found support here, support there. We're kind of going off of this cycle, I would say, more than the other one. Regardless, it still points to more upside. And we'll take a look at that in just a moment. So the weekly, very bullish, right? Look at that, 17 and -5 on the dual band strength index. You've confirmed that weekly green dot. It is all time frames right now are pointing for more upside. The 4-day is looking good. The 3-day, the 2-day, all looking good. Actually, the 2-day is the only one that has still a slight hint of bearishness, because you have a momentum wave curling in and you still got red money flow. But again, looks like you got some inwardly curving VWAP, which could lead to actually a big pump later on. But for now, just looking at it, daily looks pretty good. The 12-hour looks pretty good. Green money flow, momentum is up. 4-hour time frame, green money flow, momentum. Oof, oh my god, it's a bullish burp. They're back. That means more upside, guys. And 1-hour time frame, actually a little bit into the red and then cutting back into the green. I think we're going to get some sort of pump tonight. Also, we made some nice trades here inside the Discord. We got into some shorts, some longs. I actually closed my short for 0%. I was looking for a better entry, but decided to flip long. It looks like that was the right move. And I think we're going to get some sort of big move higher here. When we take a look at, excuse me. Whoops. Oh, yeah, I wanted to check on the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is also trying to reverse back up, and this will help equities and Bitcoin, get some sort of relief rally as well. That's just my opinion. On the 4-hour, it looks bad, but on the 1-hour, it is finding its way back up here. It's trying to curl back. So, in my opinion, I think we're going to be getting a little bit more upside in the coming days. The markets are up in the after hours, looking pretty good. We'll take a look at wave edge as well. So wave edge on the weekly time frame, no new signals have came. This green cross on the weekly has led to a massive rally so far. It's been great. 4-day, 3-day, 2-day have all led to big rallies. The 3-day, you got a red cross right there at the moment. We'll pay attention to that, and the daily as well. So, but again, just remember, if this is shifting from a bear cycle to a bull cycle, then you better be on the right side of the trade, because if you're trying to short these, you may get blown up. And you can see there are sellers here, and they are distributing, but the price continues to fight higher because the trend is going up now. So if you're looking for shorts still, you got to be careful, right? You got to be careful and strategic when you're doing them. Make sure you're not taking any heavy losses or anything like that. So to me, it looks like all signs are pointing towards more upside. Now I am looking for the last bearish scenario to kind of hold up here. Regardless, it's still pointing to more upside. I think we get some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse higher on the smaller time frames and really complete the leg up. It can even go as high as like $102,000. And if you have peak, RSI and gets erased up in here, and then you come crashing back down, and then you don't recover and make a new high, then you have officially made a major 3 swing higher, and that is really bad, because then it will mark the top of the B wave. The B wave will be complete, and you'll get some big retracement in Bitcoin. And it won't be because Bitcoin's bearish. It's going to be because the traditional markets are bearish, right? Stocks are not in a good place right now. And when we take a look at MicroStrategy stock is also hitting another sell area. We had this one rejected. We had this one rejected. We had this one. Now it's going a little bit deeper, and I think it could go up into maybe up to like 400. The 400s is where I would probably chance shorts, but not before then. I would wait for also bearish divergence to be completely erased and just get one big spike higher. Smaller time frames, you want some bearish divergence. So that's, you know, to complete the like ABC move higher, and you gotta just be patient with it and just let the setup play itself out. Okay, so that's basically it. I don't really have much else to add. What I will say though is it feels good to constantly make money. If you guys want to get access to my trades inside the Discord, we got a trade going on right now. Maybe you can participate in it. Sign up link is in the description. Peace.